Oh, that's the profit. Oh, and we started to rise.
Hi guys, my name is Anna. I hope you know that, but if you don't, I have my Telegram channel, which is completely free, and we trade together right there on binary options. I have 12 signals a day in my Telegram channel, so just proceed, check it out, and let's go.
Hi guys, here's me, Yana. Yep, just right here, Quotex platform, tradings, and we are kind of a little bit back to basics. It going with the class indicators, class strategies, because it is different every single time. That's true, that's true. We start. Almost 700. It's not bad. It's really not bad. But we will see how it goes. Going, you know, all of that. Currencies, 93% payouts. One more. And one more. It's fine. 10 seconds. It's gonna be for the candles. Then we're going to be going to the rate of change. Yes, let's take this 10. Then we're going to be going with the volume oscillator. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. Then we're going to be going with the Kelton channel. That's better. That's better. And the next one, so we're going to have some fourth. It's going to be just the parabolic star. So where you are here. May help. I hate this volume oscillator. Truly hate it. Let's start it. It's maybe nice and nicely matching with the rate of change in this strategy. So we're going to be checking it. Let's see. Because what you can actually have from this indicator? 2 green candles, 1 orange, 2 green candles, 1 orange, 1 green, 1 orange. Okay, thank you. I can see that on the chart. So it's not my type. It's not my type. Oh, I've been actually thinking about the big downward trend. I know we had these green candles and we still haven't had. But I think this is the big downward trend. It's a little bit ugly with these candles because I don't like it. Ah, look at this volume oscillator. Now we have it. Orange, in the same size. I don't like it being green. And plus, it is switching. You can see the orange candles. Now it's orange. And then it's green. Just like that. Why? Just why? So it's actually flat. It's just flat. Huh. Let's try something else. So, 300. Because I don't know. Rate of change, really going upward. Okay. But, I'm not sure about the size of this fluctuation that we may have. Oh, 300 is okay. Let's see. Look at this Kelton channel giving us that this is it. This is it. I'm like from the TV news. Look at that. Look at that. And the police, just chasing somebody here on the streets, and they're up, from the helicopter. Look at that. Look at that. Sorry for that. Just need something to be, to have some fun. Let's see something else. So I must say, there is nothing really bad about this strategy, but I started with this hatred for the volume oscillator, and I can stop it. I just cannot stop it. If you're going to be following the Kelton channel, it's like, okay, we had the rising and now we have the fallen. So it's like a smooth and nice. Maybe, and maybe it is. Maybe it's the key. And what I just decided, it's not going to be endless fallen because I mean, it wasn't like that before, and we do not expect some drastic falling or drastic change. So we're going to be hitting the bottom and then rising. By now, it was okay. That was all correct, but unfortunately, it is happened really, really fast. I actually expected that it's going to be a little bit slower because this single green candle being extremely big, it's still not safe right here at the end of it all. No, it's fine. No, going with the, yeah, maybe it is going actually downward, but it couldn't be that drastic. It couldn't be that, straight. We need some fluctuations for that. So we started with the 700, but I'm not in the mood of maximizing it. I'm not in the mood of risking it all. I need this for the next bets. Once again, I'm really glad having this scalping channel because that's giving me the whole picture of what's going on. Actually, parabolic SAR is completely useless here because scalping channel is working kind of perfectly here for that type of situation. And I know it's kind of maybe what is that? Matching the rate of change that we are having, but it's a little bit different indicators. And when we read it, even when we have the same picture, that's a little bit different of it. So really glad. That's one of my favorite channel indicators at all. I would recommend this one instead of the bouncy bands or envelopes or something like that. I love scalping channel. Oh, that's the profit. One more and that's it. And I think you know it. Look at this. Scalping channel getting wider. It is supposed to get a bit smaller when it's going to be the big change. And maybe now we can see it. But it's actually getting smaller, but it is adjusting. So by the end of it all, we might not see, that perfect hint when we had it. But we had it back. Rate of change actually showing us that it may be really not a long fluctuation. I don't expect the big falling, just as I told you before. It's okay going with the steps and the letters, but just we need to get with these highest points lower than the previous one, and that's going to be working for us. And of course, with these bats, the level is what it matters because we can actually get it as a loose, even having the orange candles. I mean, on the estimated level, and that's it. A little bit higher than estimated level, even being orange, and we're done. Now it is. Oh, and we started to rise. Oh, that's it. So, what am I saying? You know where to find me, right? You know it. Below this video or just in my bio, here all of the links. If you wanted some free signals, chat, support, help, assistance, anything, I will be there. But what about the strategy? I love scalping channel. That's it. That's the biggest profit of it all. Scalping channel.